Today I'll be turning this blank. I'll be making a small snack bowl for my great-grandson. We'll see how it works out. I got an idea for a shape. Hope you folks enjoy the video. Now to cut the mortise in. It's always nice working with kiln dried wood. It seems to turn really well even if it's a hardwood. I'm not sure what type of wood this is, but the pure walnut oil sure brings a nice color out of it. For the sanding, I started off with 150 grit and ended with 600 grit. Here I am at the end of another video. The walnut oil really brought the grain and the color out in the wood, so that ended up being a good thing. The small snack bowl is food safe, and it is for my great-grandson, so I'm sure that he'll enjoy it for years. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate your support, and as always, thanks for watching.